Hello guys. Over the weekend, a major incident unfolded in the Arabian Sea off India's western coast. The MV Chem Pluto, believed to be from Saudi Arabia, was hit by a drone, raising concerns about the security of vital trade routes in the region. No casualties were reported, with all 21 Indians and one Vietnamese citizens on board safe. A fire on board was extinguished after causing some structural damage. But the hit, which comes after a spate of attacks in the nearby Red Sea, disrupted shipping, represents a significant threat to India's oil interests.
आजकल समुंदर में हलचल कुछ ज्यादा बढ़ गई है। जिन्होंने भी इस हमले को अंजाम दिया है, उन्हें हम सागर तल से भी ढूंढ निकालेंगे और उनके खिलाफ कठोर कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Why is this such a big deal? Well, the Arabian Sea, bordered by the India and Oman, is strategically located near two of the world's busiest shipping lanes, the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea. In recent weeks, the Red Sea has been a hotspot for conflicts and disruptions. Yemen's Houthi rebels have been targeting shipping, leading to concerns for the safety of trade routes crucial for oil, gas, and consumer goods. In response to the escalating situation, the United States formed Operation Prosperity Guardian, an international task force aimed at safeguarding these critical shipping routes. Major shipping companies like Maersk and Hapag-Lloyd are also considering returning to the Red Sea. The United States claims the drone attack on MV Chem Pluto was launched from Iran, a claim ferociously denied by Iran. This incident has heightened tensions in the region. As if that wasn't enough, there are growing fears of piracy returning to the region. Recent attacks and hijacking in the Arabian Sea have raised concerns, adding another layer of complexity to the situation. Somali pirates caused chaos for international shipping between 2010 and 2015, but those attacks largely declined after monitoring by the US and other naval forces. India's oil supply comes through two routes, the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. The Houthi attacks in the Red Sea had already rendered that route risky and unstable, but the route through the Persian Gulf had still been viable. Now even the northern route is in danger. The attack threatens shipping using the northern route out of the Persian Gulf, making it harder for India to get supplies via Iraq and Saudi Arabia, leaving it more relying on the already threatened Red Sea route and the longer and more expensive one around the Cape of Good Hope. In response to these threats, India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has pledged strict action. He announced the deployment of 3 guided missile destroyer ships to the Arabian Sea and emphasized that an investigation is underway. India has reasonably good relations with Iran and wants to keep it that way. And while India is not the likely primary target of the attack, it must respond, or at least be seen to respond. That's it for today. Hope the video is informative. Thank you for watching. This is Shayog signing off.
So the frequency has definitely gone up, and we have decided to take very robust action to protect our merchant shipping.